Davao de Oro State College. Vision. Being proactive means that this institution doesn't just respond to changes or challenges. Instead, it takes the initiative to drive positive change, innovation, and collaboration in various areas, such as education, research, and community engagement. As a pillar of development, this institution is seen as a foundational support that helps build and strengthen the region's socio-economic and cultural growth. It plays a crucial role in shaping policies, developing skilled human resources, advancing research, and fostering partnership across ASEAN countries. By doing so, it helps to elevate the region's educational standards, promote sustainable development, and enhance regional integration. Mission. The Production Services Division commitment to environmental sustainability can inspire other institutions and industries to follow suit, setting a trend for greener practices. As they lead by example, others may adopt similar approaches, creating ripple effect that spread sustainable practices across different sectors. This influence can encourage innovation, collaboration, and development of eco-friendly products, helping industries meet consumer demand for sustainability. The key lesson is that by prioritizing environmental responsibility, organizations can drive significant change not only within their own operations but also by motivating others to take meaningful action toward a more sustainable future. Goals. Quality instruction, providing high standard education that equips students with the skill and knowledge they need to succeed. Relevant and responsive research, extension and production, conducting research and outreach that directly address current community needs and challenges, ensuring that academic efforts have practical real-world impact. Effective and efficient resource management, managing resources wisely to maximize outcomes and ensure sustainability in operations and initiatives. Core values. DDOSA leads in developing skilled professionals who are committed to excellence, integrity, and solidarity. Excellence is striving for the highest quality in all academic and professional pursuit. Integrity is upholding honesty and strong ethical principles in every action and decision. Solidarity is fostering a strong sense of unity and cooperation among individuals and within the community. International vision. A global leading institution on internalization is one that excels in expanding its research and influence worldwide. It actively fosters global partnerships, attract international students and faculty, and integrate global perspective into its programs. It helps it become a key player in global academic and professional landscape. Mission. The goal is to educate students to become responsible global citizens. This is achieved through high-quality education that encourages understanding between different cultures, emphasizes social responsibility, and promotes innovation across various fields. Production services. Here, we empower individuals by providing them with vocational training and skills development opportunities. These farms not only contribute to the local agricultural industry but also serves as an educational hub for our students. We prioritize sustainable farming practices, ensuring that the growth and nurturing of these tropical fruits by promoting agritourism and offering farm tours. We invite visitors to experience the beauty of nature while supporting our income-generating project. Gender and development, or GOD, is based on the belief that fairness and equity require that all people, regardless of gender, should have equal access to opportunities. This ensures that everyone, whether male or female, can pursue and achieve a fulfilling and satisfying life. 7S. Organization makes work and life easier. Because being organized helps streamline tasks and reduce stress, making both work and personal life more manageable. Organizing is a skill that can be learned because anyone can develop better organizational habits with practice and strategies. Becoming organized is a two-step process. First, identify what needs to be organized, and the second is implement system and habits to maintain order.